BTB Refrigerator Series. Professional milk chilling for coffee systems. BX1 and BX2 refrigerators. 9.8-liter large capacity. Temperature range to 18 degrees Celsius. Built-in lighting across all models. Even in the dark, you can easily check the milk level and condition. Equipped with a secure door lock. Key restricted access. BX3 and BX5 refrigerators. Stainless steel construction and mirrored glass door. Premium elegance. One-touch power on. Temperature range 0 to 8 degrees Celsius. Compressor cooling system. Rapid cooling at 2.3 degrees Celsius per minute. 14.8-liter total volume. Includes 6-liter milk tank. Eco-friendly insulation materials used throughout. Reduces energy consumption. Quiet and stable operation. Innovative integrated warming zone. Preheat the cup to 40 degrees Celsius. Cup warming refrigeration. Chilled for creamier foam. Support single-sided double opening holes. Double-sided single opening hole. Seamless coffee machine integration. BTB Refrigerator Series. Ideal for business environments. Home coffee corners. New retail stores. Specialty coffee and tea shops. Flexible pairing options. BTB Refrigerator. The ultimate fresh milk preservation partner for coffee machines.